Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to get registered agents and set one up in Florida. First, what is a registered agent? During the formation process of your LLC, you'll often come across the term registered agent. This role involves receiving important legal documents on behalf of your business. The registered agent serves as the business's official point of contact, receives essential legal documents, is available during regular business hours, and ensures the business owner receives critical paperwork. All legal business entities require a registered agent, and you or your LLC organizer must name an agent during the formation process. The registered agent will handle all government documents, including legal actions, court summons, subpoenas, tax information, and more. It's their responsibility to ensure you promptly and securely receive these critical documents. Why do you need a registered agent? Your registered agent is your business's official contact with the state. They receive important compliance information and official correspondence like annual reports and tax filings. They also handle legal paperwork if your company gets sued, as well as other court documents like wage garnishment orders or subpoenas. What are the requirements for a Florida registered agent? All Florida registered agents must be available at a physical street address in the state during normal business hours. If the registered agent is a person, they must be over 18 years old and have a physical address in Florida. P.O. boxes aren't allowed. If the registered agent is a company or a registered agent service, it must be authorized to do business in Florida. Now that we've covered what a registered agent is and what they do for a business, let's take a look at how to set up a registered agent in your state. To do this, we're going to use northwestregisteredagent.com. Here's a step-by-step walkthrough to set up a registered agent through Northwest Registered Agent. Go to northwestregisteredagent.com. Select Get a Registered Agent on the left-hand side. From there, you can learn more about registered agents in your state or get started right away by clicking Hire Northwest Now. Scroll through, find your state, and click Continue. Fill out details about your company, including its name and entity type. Fill out your contact information, including your name, phone number, and mailing address. Create an account with Northwest Registered Agent. You'll have the option to add on additional items like a business domain, website, email, and phone number. Look through each option and see if any apply to your business. To complete the process, pay using a major credit card. And that's it. Now, you know all about registered agents in Florida and how to set one up.